It's nice you're watching at this video of Blue Tips, Guides and Tutorials video. And today I'm going to show you how to get easy money on Vlogger Go Viral. What you're gonna do, I'm gonna open the app. And I literally have it for 1 minute now. I'm serious. It's really easy what you need to do. Look, 30, okay. So what you're gonna do, click start, click one you want, I'm gonna do music, you're gonna close the game, you're going to scroll down, only on the Android by the way, you go to where your time is, you're gonna click at date, and you're gonna do 1 day after you it is. So in this case you're going back to Vlogger Go Viral. Wait for a while. And look at this, guys. And I get 14.1 million again. And my dang stream is finished. So I get 5.5 million for that. So yeah, that's how to get easy money. I'm gonna show you it once again. Oh wait, go back, start. Dog, close the app. Up. Time. Date 1 day after it is. Go back. Open. Will it work? Vlogger Go Viral. Wait. So yeah guys, this was the video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and of course subscribe. It will really help me out. And look, I get nearly 14.1 million. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe.